From 782 Motors, classic slow riders and muscle cars. This time we're going to give you a look through this HG GTS Monaro. It was a factory burnished bronze sandalwood trim 186S GTS Monaro. It's been re-driveline. It's now got a small block Chev in it. It's running 406 cube. It's got a Muncie. It's got a built 10 bolt in the rear. So you get that cool advantage of it's a GTS Monaro, genuine car, but you can make it have a little bit of an open license and make it what you want it to be, and that's what's happened here. So beautiful condition, excellent body, painted 13 years ago in great condition. Motor's been rebuilt, it's fresh, trim's beautiful. Jump online, we got 3 of these in our June auction. www.782motors.com.au. Jump on, check it out.